But as a one-person team, like I don't have the time or the resources to invest in the setup process of something like an academy. You'll need a bigger team and you need more staff, and you better get some more money while you do that. And I was not having any of that. So I had to find a tech stack that would allow me to leverage as much automation as possible and would also completely eliminate any onboarding that needed to happen. We didn't have the budget for professional services. We couldn't invest anything into it in case it didn't work. So we had to work extremely lean to get this thing done. And with the combination of WorkRamp and iorad, we managed to do that. We're Gorgias. We have an e-commerce focused help desk. And my role is the manager of customer education. It was really important for us to have something that was easy to create with no experience. I did video editing in the beginning of high school for like a month. I'm not a video person. So for me to do that, I had to learn, what tools should we be using? And we had no tools, so I was using iMovie. So I was using all these resources. It took me ages to learn, and then it took me ages to produce this content. Like, there's got to be a better way. Yeah, so we got iorad as part of our WorkRamp package. So using something like iorad, we've managed to leverage that Chrome extension that we can not only produce things really quickly and easily with no training to our team, but also when our product changes, which it changes every about 48 hours, we roll out a new feature, we change a setting, a button's in a different spot. We're just constantly iterating it. We move very quickly. And using something like iorad means that we can easily replace that content and keep it updated without an additional investment of time from us. So I think it's all really good. I mean, it's so easy to use, which is fantastic. So this is our Academy dashboard where we track all the feedback from learners, and walkthrough guides is iorad. And 28% of the positive feedback is guides from you guys. That's been up to 38% at some points in time. So huge. And then 16.5% of our ways to improve would be to include more of those. So that's not insignificant. That's like quite a lot.